Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your go-to destination for the latest tools, tech, and innovations. Today, we're exploring 5 powerful laser and craft machines designed for creators, makers, and professionals who want precision, versatility, and performance. Let's get started. Number 5. The xTool M1 Ultra. This 4-in-1 craft machine is designed as a complete creative studio in one device. It combines a diode laser for cutting and engraving, a blade module for materials like vinyl and fabric, a CMY inkjet module for full-color printing, and a pen tool for drawing and writing. With support for over 1,000 materials and a working area of about 11.8 by 11.8 inches, it allows users to switch between multiple functions seamlessly. Capable of speeds up to 400 millimeters per second, it's built for mixed media projects like custom apparel, signage, and paper crafts, all without needing separate machines. Number 4. The xTool F2 Ultra. This industrial-grade dual laser system combines a 60-watt MOPA fiber laser with a 40-watt diode laser, delivering serious power for advanced engraving and cutting. It's capable of producing high-contrast color engravings on metals like stainless steel and titanium, while also handling deep engraving tasks. With dual 48-megapixel cameras, speeds up to 15,000 millimeters per second, and a working area expandable up to nearly 20 inches, it's designed for precision and efficiency. Its fully enclosed structure adds an extra layer of safety, making it suitable for professional workshops and production environments. Number 3. The xTool P3. This flagship 80-watt CO2 laser cutter is built for large-scale projects and business-level production. It features a spacious working area of approximately 36 by 18 inches and can cut thick materials like wood up to 20 millimeters, as well as transparent acrylic. With speeds reaching up to 1,200 millimeters per second, it's optimized for high-volume workflows. Advanced features include a 4-camera system, LiDAR autofocus, an auto-lift base for thicker materials, and an intelligent conveyor system. It's engineered to handle extended use while maintaining precision and consistency. Number 2. The xTool F2 Ultra UV. This specialized UV laser engraver focuses on ultra-fine detail and precision work. Using a 5-watt UV laser at a 355 nanometer wavelength, it enables cold processing for delicate materials like glass, plastics, and ceramics. It can even perform 3D inner engraving inside crystal and glass. With speeds up to 15,000 millimeters per second, dual 48-megapixel cameras, and LiDAR-based alignment, it ensures accurate and consistent results. Its micron-level precision makes it ideal for intricate designs and detailed engraving applications. Number 1. The xTool F2. This compact and portable dual laser engraver is built for flexibility and on-the-go customization. It combines a 15-watt diode laser with a 5-watt infrared laser, allowing it to work on a wide range of materials, including wood, leather, plastics, and certain metals. With engraving speeds up to 6,000 millimeters per second and a built-in 50-megapixel camera, it offers quick alignment and efficient workflow. Its lightweight, fully enclosed design makes it easy to transport, making it a practical option for events, small businesses, and mobile setups. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video!